nyina ye nua ba Joyce blessing. I'm say last year in summer na say last 2 years ye nua baby to apawa so a na obia de ye nua be ya to na no aware mu nsensem e na e Christopher nso de ye di tum say o Kristo ni na ma ne do so ana so Kristo ni na so heden e to no nti Joyce blessing ono wafa asemmia ato no so be fa nwom to so apirichi a kire nyame maidie na enso hwe na e wo say twa say ba enti ye 2 years e twa mu de Joyce blessing ne nsem de by pa ne mfoni a e ba social media so na nka ensem fata krasa anka e ba na so ne nyina e piepie ne kru Tvgh nsem e ba ya walijai ye kwala no kra ye keka kra say oni Tvgh ma no enye David ba na emo kodi wo baabi na ode be share no enkrofo kan bia kama na when na Joyce copy mo abeku aso ya na say abeku show ye friend no e kwan so jojo na oni abeku didi nkomo no say o cheche ni nsem a ne wa fom dia na oya pa anka dubre kra anka okana no adurawu anase dubibe ye ni sanko mfa ne tunhwim kra o ntu kwan kra nko hye bebia na anka obi anti ne din biu a ne nwom kra ba aboti bi no bia beti aka na asem eni nguase ofam na no odin na ne tentene ne tietie mu kra ne se nipa a nsem a tutu ye nua ba Joyce blessing musician ye gospel artist obi anti mi afre no anka se me nua ba ne awukọ mu anase ne afam de hye na ya na sansem ye betu anase ye na nso ye betu ye debi artist for ye gospel artist for no obi antimi anye bi na guess what nipa of friend na o hye ni nkran a ama ne opese o ye ne ho bone wantimi aye eye nua be ma Akrobeto who knows tomorrow and hwene kokruko say attention camera ono na wo friend no hye ni nkran wo hu ono fresh hye ni nkran enne o gina ne na so a ne opese o be nyina wantimi aye bi yenko abeku so ne enko ti ne blessing e ka hwe
onim baby odu bedu a odo pass niema bebre mu odo fa niema bebre mu till say ensohwe ne niema bebre beba wakwan mu na obetumi agina ne ho na obem di nti a nyame baby ho a odo faaye e koma e de wo ahokira wo ko mu ni ade no ema enu na ma hu sa ampa na nyame itiro ni me for future say bi to me a metumi ayeden agina because ahenche na urade de asom na eso enti ehun so hwede e bai na nso nam say mesimi dan wo botan so ntino urade asom nsa asa pejam kese cross ni de na etwamu enti I remain still unbreakable.
I remain unbreakable cuz I say wo ka bibia che unuanom gospel artists ni say omonye no mo sesa sound engineers ni omo chonyo because I say omatena asori ni ma che na say asori na anointing na ba from kaka because no hwe yi akwabwa Echronoma SP Kofi Sapon. That was his breakthrough.
Yeah.
Kwabna Echronoma Emma Ohima Mercy ka na asande Ohima Mercy ababa. Kwame Eugene Echronoma ama Joyce blessing ka asande na baba. Edie na mo ka kire eye asori engineers a omo recorded gospel song me person me body edie na mo ka kire sound engineers omo de gospel nkwan ase si ano a shift it.
Mebo ma basu because omuso ye ejuma pa omo ye ejuma but ana ye mu bi no sometimes ana pese de bia no ye ma mo te ade foforo eni nti na bi wono mo so wa no ma switch na me switch so me pa omo ye good a se me switch ngo ka say oh den ka we den ka wo bo ha na nke o tie no won za afi woni age ho ene ni na be ka ho a e ma ne ye de ma gospel no enyo no se de nkrofo hu ze e bi wa na ye we atesa no we so tie a won say a different na gospel you know a message ni da so a like a come
we a very strong woman. May I admire you for that.
Me that's it.
Who that's so you farming? Who that's so do food?
Me pacho me that's so you farming pa.
Eden na udo, eden na udo.
Cocoa. Say nyame ado me cocoa na nche 1.5 year na se mastati cocoa.
As a udi abese 2 years in here.
Pacho
to about 3 years.
Yeah, we go be 2014, right?
In 2024.
2024.
I got 2025, you know.
The must start harvesting.
Let's say you're 2 area, we are cocoa farmer. What about banchi?
But me wa banchi, me wa boardie because cocoa near the boardie and a grow cocoa no. Into boardie no na. Would you see another cocoa seed national? I say, and I say, would you see another cocoa nursery national action in Chelsea? Into boardie dear. Me wo body pa o se da kuntim be cho body me wo banche so me wo menkeni is more piano away from
come on. Wow, that would be very lovely because we are gospel artists now, a farmer. Oh, and you want better.
Easy.
It's your honor areas house.
Honor we do. I'm new baby also. I made your time. I may age man. I'm
great. What farm the way?
But so as a man can see area.
Great. Who exporting? Ana obra. A form one ana at of wabeto.
Me pacho body any dear mo beto. Pacho.
But who export it?
I feel na dear me target na cocoa and no na me temper. But body any dear mo ba beto any dear kwaku karina is a jiska.
Obe one for ensi hwa or say adophobi adaroma enti. And I want to make that decision.
Because my victory, I'm not just as a payama or an answer as so good, no, and I say, be a mouth. Catch it, I didn't know, dear. Who did I?
Make us a midanyamiasi, oh, and Kunudia
or the amount
or the amami. Because, and sorry, I'm a film 3 years in easy. A do baby no. A do become a dream say, mean 2 point cry na minkope baby intina na mintu kwan na minko to my brother so then I work and then now my baba show me busu for because do baby no
nyina ba sadwe ni nyina ba so we be figana akotsena you were tired, you were fed up because of the challenges that you were going through. But so you Christian now refi amane so hwe sai bi no fam ana na wo kasa wo unbreakable no na o kan keke ana se
keke keke na make no but we dan we nipa and name be why to got to you and dey we dan but one person be who motivating me pa koboto or invite me on fie
Akrobeto
and o catch him say so my imagine say me 2 kwan me free me chim
na che so hu bibi
me nim de hu ye
Akrobeto na me ka say professor sao say before
and o catch him say my imagine say me 2 kwan jam career ho mami nim free me chim because ono 2 kwan ni bi obetena ha no de ewurade de ayama no or the compare time or de 2 kwan esombo sensa nti de nyame beye me nim nti no me sesa ma adwen
Mami kind messages are man for BD Banechi. Confidence GH. Just say that's my girl. You looking cute, lovely, and still looking young. Greetings from Dubai to my sweetheart sister Joyce. Unimno. Unimnana. What's your friend? Confidence GH.
Oh, okay.
Dubai.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Prince Yabua. Good evening, Mr. Host. My name is Yao Reagan. Me wo eye etiwa.
Me da sisa oje bread twen me. Ekwiantwa na mbeso na meka se dwume kweso masen edi dwume die bre yo batampa talent or express consultancy ena so masen am de sa dwume die ebro me da sese oje bread twen me akra